Hey there, parents! Ever find yourself dreading the lunch packing routine? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a topic that can turn your lunchtime chaos into a well-oiled machine: packing school lunches. If you've ever packed a lunch only to see it come back untouched, you're definitely not alone. But don't worry, I've got 5 easy tips to help you pack lunches your kids will actually eat and enjoy. With a little planning and some creative ideas, we can transform lunchtime into something they look forward to. So stay tuned because these tips will make your mornings a breeze. Tip 1. Plan with a list. First up, let's talk about planning. I swear by using a simple list with 5 categories: veggies, fruits, mains, something crunchy, and a little treat. This approach not only makes shopping and packing lunches so much easier, but also ensures your kiddo gets a balanced meal every day. You can create a rotating list of options for each category to keep things interesting. For example, last week I tried apple slices and cheese sticks for fruit and something crunchy, and they were a huge hit with my kids. You can create a rotating list of options for each category to keep things interesting. To make this even easier, consider using a meal planning app or a printable checklist. What categories do you use for meal planning? Share your tips and tricks in the comments. I'd love to see what works for you. Tip 2. Get organized like a chef. Next, let's talk organization. Think of your kitchen like a mini chef station where everything has its place. Spend a little time on the weekend or in the evening prepping. Wash and chop your veggies, portion out snacks, and store everything in easy-to-reach containers. I've found that having pre-chopped veggies ready to go makes my mornings so much smoother. This doesn't just save you time in the morning, it also makes packing lunches a lot less stressful. Do you have any favorite kitchen organization hacks? Let me know in the comments. Sharing your tips might help others streamline their lunch packing process. Tip 3. Involve your kids. Tip number 3 is all about getting your kids involved. When they help pack their lunch, they're way more likely to eat it. Try doing this the night before, especially if you're already making dinner. Let them pick what they want from the options you've prepped. It gives them a sense of control and gets them excited about what they'll be eating the next day. My daughter loves choosing her snacks from the prepped options. Last week, she picked out her favorite fruits and added a special note for herself. Do your kids help with lunch packing? What are their favorite parts of the process? Comment below and share your experiences. Tip 4. Use your freezer wisely. Tip number 4, don't forget about your freezer. This is a fantastic trick, especially if your kids love hot lunches like pasta, rice, or homemade soups. After cooking, portion out the food into muffin tins or ice cube trays and freeze it. Once frozen, transfer the portions into freezer bags. In the morning, just pop a portion in the microwave, and you've got a warm homemade meal ready in no time. I freeze mini meatballs for quick lunches. Have you tried freezing meals for school lunches? What recipes work best for you? Drop your favorites in the comments so we can all get some new ideas. Tip 5. Add a personal touch. And finally, let's talk about adding a personal touch. This is my favorite part because it's so simple but can mean a lot to your kids. Whether it's a little note, a fun drawing on a piece of fruit, or a cute food shape, these small gestures show your kids you're thinking of them. It's a quick and easy way to bring a smile to their face when they open their lunchbox. My son loves finding little jokes in his lunchbox. Do you include any special notes or decorations in your kids' lunches? Share your ideas and photos in the comments. I'd love to see your creative touch. That's it for today's tips on packing school lunches that your kids will love. I hope these ideas make your lunch packing routine a bit easier and a lot more fun. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents who might need some lunchtime inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tip or trick. And if you have your own lunch packing hacks or stories, drop them in the comments below. I'm excited to read them. We're also planning a video on easy lunchbox recipes, so let us know what types of recipes you'd like to see. Thanks for watching and happy lunch packing!